Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration options on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to tap on sound, and over here you can click on the switcher next to vibrate full calls to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Then click on shortcut to prevent ringing, select vibrate, and to save your changes, go back. Lastly, you need to scroll all the way down, tap on Advanced, scroll down again and tap on the switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, and Touch Vibration to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!